Hello, Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Centers. I'm pleased to announce my association with the Lake Healthcare Center in Eustis, Florida. Lake Healthcare Center is a well-established center. In fact, it was originally opened in 1963 as a chiropractic center. Since then, there's been continuous chiropractic care in the community through the services of the chiropractic physicians, the rehab team, to help patients who have been injured in auto accidents recover from those auto accidents. They've brought me on board as a medical doctor to join the chiropractic staff so that we can offer patients medications if necessary, medical reports, EMCs, other things that may be needed in your injury care or injury case by a medical physician. Now you no longer need to travel outside of Eustis to get those services. So I've been working with this group for quite some time in a loose affiliation, but now I'm part of their staff. And I'm pleased to be on the staff with Dr. Heiligenthal, Torres, and Fernandes. Again, they've been there for 20 years, but the clinic goes back, 60 years. So it's really one of the most established chiropractic centers in the state of Florida. They do a very, very good job of auto accident injury care. They've been doing this for a long time. They've got a great staff that knows the ins and outs of, all the paperwork that needs to be filed. They've got a great clinical staff that utilizes the latest in technology and some of the rehab services. So you've got everything you need. By bringing me in, we just sort of round out everything. Now, in addition to the medical services, we're bringing in telemedicine. Telemedicine is an interesting concept. Most of you had never heard of telemedicine prior to the pandemic. Now everybody knows about it. But what it does allow you to talk to a physician like me through a simple text link on your phone. So instead of going to an emergency room and sitting around waiting for hours to see a doctor about your auto injury, you can go home after the crash and call me on my personal cell phone number, 866-402-4250. When you call that number, you speak to me, not a marketing person or an assistant. That's my personal cell phone number. I'll pick up the phone, I'll send a link to your phone, we'll chat, get the details of the collision, where you're hurting. I'll file a report to the responsible insurer, to your attorney if you have one, to your primary care physician if you like. If we need short-term meds until the chiropractic and rehab starts kicking in, we can do short-term medications as well. Again, from the privacy and comfort of your own home. No need to leave your home. On the very next day, we'll get you into our beautiful facility to have a complete physical exam done by one of the chiropractic physicians on staff at the Lake Healthcare Center. They'll put you through range of motion. They'll push on you and move you around to find out the specific areas of injuries that you have. And then together, we'll collaborate to come up with an individualized treatment plan that addresses your personal needs. This isn't a one-size-fits-all center like you see from some of these big, what I call the Walmart injury centers of the world, where 100 patients run through, they all get the same thing, same treatments. This is different. These are individual treatments by chiropractic physicians that have been in your community for decades. So you can trust the chiropractic physicians at Lake Healthcare Center, and you know that they are experienced. More importantly, we'll create an individual plan for you to make sure you get what you need and you get best outcomes. Again, if you've been involved in an accident or have personal injury, call the Lake Healthcare Center or call my personal cell phone number at 866-402-4250. Thank you.